Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to remove Yahoo Search from Microsoft Edge in any PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, open Microsoft Edge. Here at the top, in Edge at the top, we find three dots. Click on these three dots, scroll down and find settings. Click on the settings. In settings, we find many options. Here we find main option, privacy, search and services. Click at here. Scroll down and here find address bar and search. At the bottom, we find address bar and search. Click on the address bar and search. In address bar and search, we find manage search engines. Click on the manage search engines. Here we find our all search engine. Here we find Yahoo is selected as default search engine for our Microsoft Edge. This is our problem. And give any other search engine as a default, Bing or Google. I give Bing. You can also give the Google or any other. I go to the here three dots. Click at here, and here we find make a default. Click on the make a default. And if you want to remove Yahoo completely, then go to the here Yahoo and click at here. And here we find remove button. Click on remove and it's removed from the Microsoft Edge. So guys, this is the simplest way to remove Yahoo search engine or Yahoo search from Microsoft Edge in any PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.